welcome back. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have discussed about unary operators. We discussed about increment operator and decrement operator. So unary operator which operates on one operand. So now in today's video, we will talk about ternary operator. So ternary operator, the name itself tells you ternary means 3. So this operator, ternary operator, operates on 3 operands. So let's discuss about this ternary operator in detail. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the new videos. So before I start with this ternary operator, so let's get back to that unary operator. We discussed about the increment and decrement operator. So increment or decrement operator, maybe it is prefix increment or postfix increment or prefix decrement or postfix decrement. The operator operates on one single operand. So we just say plus a. So you have this operator and one operand. Same way I say minus a, or it may be a plus, or it may be a minus. So it is acting on one single operand. So when I say it is acting on one single operand, we are providing the value for this operand. So we say a equal to 5. So this value will be incremented or decremented. But what about this ternary operator? The name itself tells you ternary. It is going to operate on 3 operands. So you require 3 operands here. So let's see the syntax of this ternary operator. So this ternary operator operates on 3 operands. So the syntax will be in the same format itself. So let us see the syntax of this. So you have 3 operands. You have operand 1 question mark, operand 2 colon, and operand 3 semicolon. So this is what the syntax of ternary operator. I can also write this in another way also. It can be like expression, question mark, true statement, colon, false statement, and semicolon. So you can just observe here, you have operand 1, operand 2, operand 3. And we also use 3 operators here, question mark, colon and semicolon. Operand 1 is a conditional statement or conditional expression. Operand 2 is a true statement and operand 3 is the false statement. So let's see how it is going to work. So based on the evaluation of operand 1, so called some expression, it may be some conditional expression. Based on the evaluation of this conditional expression, if this expression evaluates as true, then the immediate true statement gets executed. But if this condition evaluates as false, then the false statement gets executed. So it's all based on this condition. Based on the evaluation of this condition, either true or false gets executed. So let's see this ternary operator in detail with an example program. You need to include all the hash includes stdio.h and conio.h. I'll be writing from the void main. So let me write the program from void main. So void main. So let me declare the variables now. So let me have 2 variables, int a and b. Let me call the clear screen function. I just say printf. Let me have a prompt message to take 2 values. Enter 2 values. And I say scanf, two format specifiers to accept integer values stored in the address of A and in the address of B. Then let me write the actual ternary operator statement. I say A greater than B question mark. I say printf A is greater, close the bracket, and then say colon. You can just continue there itself. I'm writing here. Then say printf B is greater, semicolon. Then I say get ch. Program ends. So here we have the variable, two variables A and B declared. So let us see the dry run of the program. So as soon as the compiler encounter the variable declaration statement, it is going to allocate the memory for these two variables. So we get 2 bytes of memory for A and 2 bytes of memory for B. So while memory is allocated, value is not yet been filled. Then let me write the output screen. So in the output screen, I'll be getting the message. The first message that what I get for this program is, I get the message, enter 2 values. Right? Then I need to give the values now. So the cursor will be blinking there, waiting for the input. So I'm going to scan those 2 values with these 2 format specifiers. So I just say 30 space 20. So the first value will go to the address of A. So some address, say something like 101 and 102. The first value that what I have entered, it will go to the address of A. So 30 in A. The second value that what I have given, 20, it will go to the address of B. So values have been filled up. Next, here starts your logical, well, you can just have a complete statement like this. Well, I just wrote in the next line here. So it is A greater than B question mark. This is what the true statement block, colon. This is what the false statement block. Then I say A greater than B. Check that condition. That is 30. So the value that what we have given here, what is the value that we have in A? It is 30. Is 30 greater than 20? Is 30 greater than 20? Yes. The condition is evaluated as true. Then it will execute this first true block. I'll be getting the message A is greater. You can still have a valid message. You can just say %D is greater and comma, you can print the variable name A. That will be still more effective. You get the value 30 is greater. So, but right now for this, I'll be getting the output as A is greater. Right? And this false block will not be executed. Get ch, the program ends. Just assume the value is 200. That what I've given is 200. The inputted value is 200. So the B value is 200. Now check. Is 30 greater than the value B means 200? Is this condition true? No. The condition is false. So it has to go to the false block. Then I should get the message B is greater. This is one method actually. You can also have one more method of executing this program. So straight away having printf message is like this. But there is one more method where I need to take an extra variable. So how to do that? Let us see now. So as usual, enter 2 values. We are going to accept the values. Then what I'll do here. So let me have an extra variable here. So here I say A, B, C and then semicolon. Then let me write the ternary operation statement here. I say C equal to A greater than B question mark A colon B semicolon. Then I'll just print the value of C. I say printf %D is greater. Then print the value of C. Then get CH. So let us see the dry run of this program now. So what happens here? As usual, you have two variables declared plus one extra variable will be declared. So you will have C. Okay, so right now you don't have any values here. So let me take the address as something like this is 101, 104, something like that, 108, some random address. It's not the actual address, well, address will be the hexadecimal format. Well, I say enter two values. Let me write the output screen here. So the first message that what I'm going to get is variables will be declared, like memory will be allocated for them, A, B, C. The screen gets cleared, the previous output screen gets cleared, and then I'll be getting the message enter two values. Then as soon as I read the message, I start inputting the value. I just say 300 and 400. So the first value 300 will go to the address of A, so 300. The second value will go to the address of B, say 400. Then I say C equal to, this is what the complete ternary operation, condition, operand 1, operand 2, the true statement, operand 3, the false statement. Condition evaluated as true, this true statement value gets stored to C. If the condition evaluates as false, the false block statement gets executed and the value that what I have in this variable will be transferred to C. So let us see now. A greater than B. Check the condition. Question mark. Is 300 greater than 400? Is 300 greater than 400? No. The condition evaluates as false. So it has to go to the false block. This block. Where in the false block it says copy the value of B to C. The value of B to C. So what is the value that I have in B? It is 400 and that value has to be transferred to C. Then I say printf %d is greater, print the value of C. So what is the value in C? It is 400. I'll be getting the output as 400 is greater. So I can just use this ternary operation in both the ways. I can have the statement straight away in this true block or in the false block, or I can have the variables values will be copied to the another variable, but here the memory is wasted. And so like I have taken the variable C where simply extra memory is created here. But whereas in the previous example that what I explained, the memory is saved. I can straight away have the true statement message and false statement message. My program is done there. Here you have one extra variable, one extra statement. Everything has to be created. Hope you have understood this. See here C, the value 400 will be stored. So I say 400 %d is greater. Print the value here from this variable C. So 400 is greater. This is what the output I am going to get. So this is about the ternary operator. Hope you have understood this. This is what the dry run of the program, and I just want you people to execute these programs. Maybe in the coming videos, I may show you how to execute the programs in the Turbo Editor software, how to compile and how to execute, and some common mistakes that what we do while executing the programs, compiling the programs, how to do the compilation, how to understand the compilation process. Well, I've also done the video of how to compile and how to execute, compiling and execution process in my previous videos. We will see the actual execution of the program in the Turbo Editor in the next coming videos. So that's all for today's video. So in the next video, we will see few more topics. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.